Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to share something with you guys that you might be overlooking. I was about, I want to say maybe a third of a quart low on coolant. I do plan on changing my coolant soon as a maintenance item. But yeah, just look at the seal on this radiator cap. So over time, plastic and rubber products alike, they will ultimately fail. And there's the failure for my radiator cap. So what was happening was that this thing was not holding pressure, and ultimately my coolant was just being vaporized. So do make sure that you guys are checking your radiator caps. As a general rule of thumb, I would recommend changing this item at least once every 30,000 miles or so. So that way it doesn't come down to this. Because I mean, had I left this any longer, the whole thing, I've seen individuals and even videos on this on YouTube where people go to check their radiator cap and that rubber gasket is nowhere to be found. And you definitely don't want that getting into your coolant system. So make sure you're doing this spot check. Make sure you're changing your radiator caps routinely, and all should be well. The truck is really coming together, guys. I just finally pulled the trigger on some suspension components. I'm gonna be overhauling Camperdan's suspension.